Home Remedies presents.
After watching this, you will never throw away empty coffee containers. When it comes to DIY and upcycling, one person's trash can be another's treasure. Those sturdy coffee containers can be incredibly useful once they are empty. With a bit of creativity, you can transform them into handy and stylish household items. Here are some ideas. Hey friends, from which city and country are you watching my videos from? Let me know in the comments. Pantry storage. Use empty coffee canisters to store pantry items like pasta, rice, beans, flour, and sugar. Their airtight seal keeps moisture and pests out, and their uniform size makes them easy to stack. Planter pots. Turn coffee canisters into planter pots for herbs, succulents, or flowers. Drill holes in the bottom for drainage. Add soil and plant your seeds. They make charming, eco-friendly planters. Craft supplies organizers. Store craft supplies like crayons, markers, and paint brushes in coffee canisters. Label them to keep your materials organized and decorate them to inspire creativity. Portable first aid kit. A coffee canister is perfect for a first aid kit. Its sturdy structure protects the contents, making it ideal for the car, camping trips, or home emergencies. Gift packaging. Repurpose coffee canisters as gift containers for homemade items like cookies and candies. Decorate them with fabric, lace, or ribbons for a unique and personalized touch. Ice bucket. Use a coffee canister as an ice bucket for small gatherings. Clean it thoroughly to avoid any coffee scent. Pet food storage. Store pet food or treats in coffee canisters. Their airtight design keeps food fresh and protected from pests. Change jar. Use a coffee canister as a change jar to collect loose change. Cut a slit in the lid to drop coins in and decorate the jar to make it fun. Plastic bag dispenser. Turn a coffee canister into a plastic bag dispenser. First, fill it with bags, cut an X in the lid, and pull the handles of the top bag out for easy access. Bathroom organizer. Store bathroom essentials like cotton balls, Q-tips, or makeup brushes in coffee canisters. Customize them to match your bathroom decor. Utensil holders. Use smaller coffee cans as utensil holders in the kitchen. Cover them with decorative paper or paint to protect them and add a personal touch. Garbage or workshop storage. Store small hardware items like nuts, bolts, and screws in coffee canisters. Their durability and size make them ideal for organizing these components. Mini compost bin. Use a coffee canister as a mini compost bin for kitchen scraps. Add a charcoal filter to control odors. This is great for urban dwellers or those with limited space. Decorative plunger holder. Turn a coffee canister into a decorative plunger holder. Cover it with contact paper or paint and cut a hole in the lid for the plunger handle. Pre-measured coffee filters. Store pre-measured coffee filters in empty containers to streamline your morning routine. Fill them with the exact amount of coffee needed for your brew. With these ideas, you will think twice before tossing out empty coffee containers. From kitchen storage to creative decor, the possibilities are endless. These projects help reduce waste and add a personal touch to your home. So, next time you finish that last cup of coffee, see the empty canister as an opportunity to enhance your home and lifestyle.
If you liked the video, hit that like button to give it more value and share it on your social networks to let others benefit from it too. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.